Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up Chase Mobile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and sign up for an account. So what you can do is open it up in your PC. If you find this way easier, you can go to chase.com. This is the official website right here that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you can get started in this home page. The home page is going to look like this, from where we can get started signing up for an account. So if you do not already have a Chase Mobile account, what you can do is get started signing up by clicking the if you're not already enrolled. It's going to take you to this page where we can get started signing up. So we can choose what kind of account we want. If we want a personal account, a business account, or a commercial account, what we can do is either apply account, a card, or application number that we already have, or a social security number that we want to use. This is our social security number that we're going to go ahead and input right here. So what you can do is use your social security number. If you don't have one, you can click right here and get started creating every info that you need. So after that, you can click the next button. By clicking the next button, it's going to take you to the next page, from where you can get started providing even more information that they need for setting up your account. Basically, this same process is going to be in the application itself. You want to download the application itself from the App Store. It's called Chase Mobile Banking Invest. This is the application that you want to find and open up. So once you have downloaded and open it up, you want to go and log in. So you can sign up like I just showed you. Once you've gotten your account, you can log in normally. After logging in, you're going to go and be greeted by this home page right here. This is how it's going to look like. Here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to go and be able to access the home page. You're going to have your pay and transfer options and so on. And all of this is going to be available from the Chase Mobile application. Now you can get started using it normally and regularly like any other Chase Mobile option that you have for banking. You can use it like any other bank application to get started with making your payment. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.